touch her arm just like she said. There you go. We'll make sure it flies.
Pregnant Rottweiler wants attention.
This down now. Slow down. Here we go. For some reason it does drift a bit.
She wants the massage.
Here's my device.
Not petting. She wants the massage.
Chota. Chota. Ele guafu.
For some reason it ain't
Chota.
drifting.
Why are you trying to get on the bed? What's up with you?